All right, y'all. So we're gonna start looking at how to find the volume of a cone. So this is gonna be very similar to what we did yesterday with that cylinder. We just have a little bit different formula with this. So if we look over at our formula chart, our formula for a cone for volume is going to be this V equals 1/3 area of the base, big B, times height. So we are going to write out that formula here. 1/3 area of the base times height. So again, remember that big B is the area of the base. So cones, their base is going to be a circle as well, just like those cylinders that we had yesterday. So we are using that area formula for a circle. So again, I just substitute that in for that big base, that big B. So the area formula for a circle is pi r squared. And remember, if you don't memorize that, that's okay. Area of a circle is pi r squared, right there for you. Okay, I bring everything else down. So now I've got volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times h, the height. Okay, so remember this r is the radius, which is halfway across the circle. In this example here, we have the diameter. Okay, the diameter goes all the way across, but we just want that half. So to get the radius here, I've got to take that 9 feet, and divide it by 2. So that's going to get me 4.5 for my radius. So I'm going to plug that in for my r. So 4.5. And I'll bring everything else down. And then my height is from the top vertex there down to the base. Make sure when we're doing volume problems, we are looking at the height that's straight down, not the edge over here. Okay, so that's going to be 18 feet. And now I take this and I plug it into Desmos. So let's go over to Desmos. So we had volume equals 1/3 pi. Our r was 4.5. Square it, and we multiply that by 18. And this tells me my volume is 381.703. If I round that to 2 decimal places, I get volume equals 381.703. That would round to 0.70. And then this is feet cubed. All right, so that's how we do that algebraically. Remember, Desmos is going to do some work for us too. Okay, we start with our formula. Volume equals 1/3 area of the base times height. So we can plug that in. Volume equals 1/3 big B times height. And so then I can tell Desmos that B equals pi. Then I've got to find my radius. So my radius is 12. 12 squared. Okay, that's my area. Now I need to tell it my height for this one is 16. So H equals 16. And then looky there. It goes ahead and tells me what the volume is of that cone. So the volume equals 2,412 .743, so 74, and that's millimeters cubed.